And we're back to learning Photoshop in here, day 139. Let me show you the Facet filter. Just to explain it, this filter groups similar pixels together, and this can create kind of like a pixelated or hand painting effect. Let me show the principle first on an ellipse. If I zoom in, you can see we've got a little bit of a blurry transition. And if I add the filter under pixelate, this blurry transition will vanish. So it takes neighboring pixels and then groups them, and this gets rid of our transition here of our grayish pixels. You can add this effect multiple times, but in this case of the ellipse, it won't have an impact because the neighboring pixels are all the same anyway after the first filter right here. Let me show you the effect on an image. Again, it's just an easy one-click option, filter pixelate facet. And if I zoom in, you can see it takes away the details and gives you more like a painting effect. And if I add it multiple times, the effect becomes smaller and smaller. Here at this point, we barely see it anymore. And here you only see minor pixels right here, maybe in the bushes, trees, whatever it is. And this effect can also be used in tiny portions when it comes to skin retouching because of the grouping of the neighboring pixels. And this is how you can use the Facet filter in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.